came across a spot repair guy in the market as we shopped. It's amazing to see in Peru that people bring their pots.
They say the holy water's watered down,
Such work
and this town's lost its
craft is
colors will fade eventually, so if my time is running out, day after day, make the Monday our masterpiece. Oh my, love, I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary.